So to begin with, I just want to give a little background on absorbable polymers and our technology. So these are the 5 key monomers that are used to make absorbable polymers, and they have over 50 years of history and over $5 billion business in the area of medical devices, and they are highly biocompatible, and they are used in staples, suture, clips, drug delivery, and implantable device, all other implantable devices. Most of our patents are based on these 5 monomers, and we have these monomers have different mechanical, physical, and biological properties. As you can see here, that glycolide, if we talk about the first monomer here, which is glycolide, it has very fast absorption and much higher strength. And when you see the last one, which is trimethylene carbonate, this monomer is very soft, elastomeric, and have a slow degradation profile. So looking at it, we can come up with several polymers with the desired properties using combination of these monomers for our 3D printing applications.